Welcome students. So last class we have seen that we have to multiply 2 by 11 from 13 by 15. Okay. Generally it is written as 2 by 11 by 13 by 15, but still, as I have said, if it is written multiply, you can multiply 13 by 15 first or 2 by 11 first, both are same. So let us solve 13 by 15 into 2 by 11. Okay. 13 into 2 and 15 into 11. 13 to the 26, 15 to 11, 165. Since you have no common factor, you have to directly multiply. Okay. Books sum, let us solve. Multiply 12 by 11, 2 by 11 by 5 by 6. So what do you have to do? You have to just put a multiplication sign here and you have to multiply. 2 into 5, 11 into, now I have broken the factor of 6, okay, which is 3 into 2, or you can directly cut from here itself. 11 into 3, 33, 5 by 33. Okay, you can ignore this step, but if you're not very sure, you can do it in this way. Let us solve minus 3 by 11 by minus 33 by 35. So minus 3 by 11 into minus 33 by 35. What do you have? We can break 33. Okay, minus 3 into 11. So we get minus 3 into minus 3 divided by 35, or simply you can cut 11 3 times, minus 3 into minus 3, but do not forget this minus sign. Minus 3 into minus 3 whole divided by 35. Minus 3 into minus 3 is positive 9 by 35. Okay, if you have not understood, go back to the video and play it again. Okay, if you have any doubts, put that in the comment section. I will solve it out. Okay, multiply 11 by 3 by minus 27 by 77. He jadoo hai. He will come somewhere, I know. Okay, so minus 11 by 3 into minus 27 by 77. That is something to be ignored. Okay, minus 11 by 3 into minus 27 by 77. So directly you can multiply minus 11 and break 27, 9 to 3, and in the denominator you have to break 3 and 7 into 11, or you can directly break 11 7 times, 3 9 times, negative into negative, positive 9, and divide by 7. Okay, do not forget the negative sign. Okay, now divide 1 by 2 by 1 by 4. 1 by 2 by divide. Okay, see, in the next step what I have done, I have changed the division sign to multiplication. Okay, let me explain you the physical structure of 1 by 2 by 1 by 4. Now see, this 2 will get multiplied with 1, and the 4 will get multiplied with this number, that is a by b by c by d equals to a into d by b into c. So we will use this identity. Okay, therefore, or else directly you can put in a multiplication sign here, and when you put the multiplication sign, the 4 will come up and 1 will get to the bottom. So 2 to the 4, done. Next, divide minus 7 by 4 by minus 4 by 5. Minus 7 by 4 divide minus 4 by 5. So again put a multiplication sign here. The 5 will go to the bottom and minus 4 will come down. Minus 7 into 5, minus 35. 4 into minus 4, minus 16. Negative negative cancel, so the answer is positive. Now divide 35 by minus 7 by 22. Again similarly Put a multiplication sign, the minus 7 will go down and 22 will come up. You can either break this into this form or directly cancel it from here. 11 2s are 11 3s are 7, 5 times. Okay, 5 2s are 10 and negative here negative 3, so minus 10 by 3. Or you can break 35 into 5 into 7 into 2 into 11, 33, 3 into 11 and minus 7, 11 11 cancel, 7 7 cancel, 5 into 2 10, and for negative 3 negative will come up. Okay, now let us simplify. 2 by 3 plus 7 by 8 whole into 8 by 25 divided by 37 by 15. Now you will ask me, sir, we could have easily start from here. Okay, but you also remember the rule BODMAS. Okay, you know this rule BODMAS. So B for bracket, so we'll first solve what is inside the bracket. So what is inside the bracket, let us solve. Taking the LCM of 8 and 3, 8 3 is 24. With 2 you have to multiply with 8. Okay, with 8 you have to multiply, and with 7 you have to multiply 3, and rest keep it as it is. To 8 2s are 16, 7 3s are 21 by 24. 16 plus 21, 37 by 24 into 8 by 25 divided 37 by. I have changed the division sign because before multiplication curve division. Okay, so I have changed the division sign here to multiplication. So 37 will go down and 15 will come up. Now either you can directly solve it from here. Okay, but I have broken the factors of all. 37 into 8 into 5 into 3 15. For 24 I have broken the factors to 3 into 8, 5 into 5 25, and 37 as it is. So here I get 1 by 5. 37 37 got cancelled, 8 8 got cancelled, 5 and 5 got cancelled, 3 and 3 got cancelled. What is the remaining? Only 5. So here 5 is your answer. If you have not understood the video, pause the video, look at the solution. Okay, and if still not, write down your doubts where you find it very difficult to understand. I will make you understand. Okay, now let's simplify. Next question. 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3 divided by 1 by 4 into 2 by 1. So what we'll do, we'll solve the first bracket first. Okay, there are two brackets, so we'll solve the first bracket. Take the LCM of 4 into 3, 4 into 3 12, 3 into 3 and minus 4 into 2. You will get 9 minus 8 by 12 divided by 1 by 4 into 21. 9 minus 8 is 1 by 12 divided by 1 by 4 into 21. Now you can change the third bracket to first bracket. Put a multiplication sign here. So 4 will go up and 1 will come down. Now 4 3s are 21, right? 4 3s are 21. So 21 by 3, and 3 7s are 21. So your answer here is 7. Okay. Always try not to cut this in this way and write it as it is written. Okay, in this process. Okay, write this in this process without any cutting, so the paper looks very neat and clean, and the examiner will give you all the marks. Okay, maybe something an extra mark for that, which generally in mathematics they don't do and they will never do, but still. Let's move to the next question. Question number 9. Divide the sum of 16 by 7 and minus 3 by 14 by the difference. So what you have to do? Divide the sum of this and this by the difference. So let us take the sum of 16 and 7, 16 by 7 and minus 3 by 14. Sum of 16 by 7 and minus 3 by 14 is, put a positive sign here, addition. So now take the LCM of 7 and 14. 14 with 7 you have to multiply 2. Why? Because 2 into 7 is 14. Okay, so with 16 you have to multiply 2. 16 2s are, and for negative sign, plus minus 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 3. 16 to the 32 minus 3 by 14. So 29 by 14. There is no further division, so they keep this in this way. Next, difference of 16 by 7 and minus 3 by 14. Take the LCM as it is. Now negative negative positive. Do not make mistake with the negative sign here. So 32 by 3, 32 plus 3 by 14. Your answer come out to be 35 by 14. Okay. Can we divide this further? But keep this in this way. Okay, because in the division the 14 and 14 will get cancelled. Okay, if you divide this by 7 into 5, again you have to multiply 7 into 2 equals to 14. Okay, now according to question, divide the sum of this one. What is the sum of this 29 by 14 by their difference? By difference, what is difference? 35 by 14. Okay, again multiply, change the division sign to multiplication sign, the 14 will go up and 35 will come to the denominator. So the answer is 29 by 35. You cannot further divide, so hence this is your answer. Next question, the number multiplied by 13 by 3 gives 39 by 12. Find the number. Obviously what you can do, let the number be x. We do not know the number, so let the number be x. According to question, x into multiplied by 13 by 3 gives you 39 by 12. This is your equation. You can easily solve now. Take this 3 to the other side. Since there is a multiplication sign, you can directly cross multiply. 3 into 39, 13 into 12. Now 13 3 times 3 4s are 12. Okay, the number is 3 by 4. Okay, the number is 3 by 4. Okay, if you have any doubts, write down your doubts in the comment section. Okay, next we'll move to 1.3. Have a great day. Okay, see ya.